Hello, and welcome to the virtual in-service for balancing the MM51 microscope. First, ensure that the vertical arm of the microscope is positioned as shown. If the arm is completely vertical or stretched too far forward, it will become more difficult to optimally balance the scope. When the microscope is positioned correctly and ready to balance, go to the control panel and press the mode button under the balance subheader. This first stage locks all the brakes except those that release the first axis of movement, the balance for which is regulated by the A and B knobs. You will start by balancing the microscope using the A knob, moving the microscope forward and backward until you find a good balance. Next, rotate the microscope almost 90 degrees on the same axis and adjust the knob labeled B until you find a good balance. Bring the microscope back to the original position and determine if a good balance has been found. After adjusting the B knob, it is sometimes necessary to go back and micro-adjust the A knob in order to achieve a good balance on this axis. We are now ready to balance the C axis. Go to the control panel and press the mode button again. Balancing the C-axis is achieved by pressing the left or right side of the black button under the C above the optics carrier. We are now ready to balance the D-axis. The D-axis regulates the main counterweight that keeps the microscope from rising or falling when the brakes are released. To adjust the counterweight, go to the balance header on the control panel. Under the D-weight subheader, press the plus to add counterweight when the microscope is falling, and press the minus to subtract counterweight when the microscope is rising. With the D-axis balanced, go back and for the final time, press the mode button located under the balance header on the control panel. It is now time to test the balance. The microscope should move easily with one hand and should not want to drift when the brakes are released but no pressure is applied.